Okay, so my add-on of choice is called Pear Deck. So go to add-ons, Pear Deck, open Pear Deck add-on, and it will load. And this allows me to insert interactive slides where students are on their Chromebooks and they put in a code and can participate in the presentation. So I've just got a slide here. So I'm going to add something during the lesson. I click on the slide I want it to come after. So I hit this slide. This is where I want to do like a check-in. And I'll do, let's see, I've got quite a few options. I'm going to do agree, disagree, because I'll ask about teen angst afterwards and we'll have a little bit of a discussion. So it's inserting, boom. Now it's in right where I want it. Then, so from here, I have to present with Pear Deck. So now if I'm done, I'll hit present. And it's loading. And I could have added before we start activity slides, at the end activity slides, I can do as many as I want, all different kinds, all different subjects. It just kind of depends what I wanted to do. So I could add more. However, I do feel like this is a little more geared towards middle elementary, so it may not be as useful for high school, but it's still a really nice tool. So here is the code that students would key in on their Chromebooks logging into the Pear Deck. But since there's no students joining, I'll just exit out of that, and then I can present, and I'll just hit the next slide, except the screencast-o-matic is blocking it. But let's see. There we go. So agree, disagree. Students are able to drag their dot where they think if there were students, but there are none for now. But that is my Google Presentations badge add-on.